everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the customer account statement for a Guardian from the List Guardians page. To get to the List Guardians page, you can either click on the Debtors hyperlink on your Kidsoft Information Centre, or you can click on your Families menu and under Guardians, click on List Guardians. To view the customer account statement, or CAS for short, next to the Guardian's name, you can right-click your mouse and click Show CAS. When this customer account statement generates, it will automatically default the date range to 1 month prior and 1 month forward, allowing you to easily update this date range if required. This feature is helpful and will save you time when you need to view a statement for a Guardian quickly. This saves you time in clicking the Reports menu and under the Financial having to click on the Customer Account Statement. For any further information on how to view the Customer Account Statement from the List Guardians page, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.